What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tati. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And today I'm not going to teach you something new about social media, but instead will tell you big news that happened in this week. So let's begin. The biggest news of the whole time of my whole social media manager career, I quit on my Instagram account, which I will show you right here, that has around 5,000 followers, and switched to this brand new account that has 0 followers. In the beginning now it has a little bit more than 0, but still it's a long way to go and a long way to grow. And you might of course ask why I did this, because it's a really huge step and I was growing my previous account for a long time. But I have to tell you the truth that I started my journey with the previous old account, which is now all named as the Old Lemuria, and I changed the name of the old one to Old Lemuria and took the same name to a new one. So it's easier for other people to remember and to find me in case they would search for me. So the story begins back in 2016. I was still freshly newbie in all social media marketing world, and I started this page to experiment a lot how different techniques are working, how different methods are working. And this page helped me to experiment a lot, to learn by doing a lot of things. For example, back in 2016, auto liking and auto commenting and auto following, mass following was still a cool technique and everyone was using it. So I used for my old account this technique as well. And I remember the service that was one of the first one who offered this bots called Instagrass, I don't really remember exactly. And I remember how it was banned afterwards, and yeah. So basically I did a lot of things with my poor old Instagram account, and I even bought 1,000 followers, fake followers, just to check how it's gonna work. I deleted them afterwards, but it still affected my account a lot. Okay, so I did mass liking, mass following using this bot. I bought 1,000 followers that are fake, and that didn't cause a lot of damage to my account until last year. I decided to participate, be a sponsor in a giveaway, and I gained a lot of followers, which was around 7,000k. And honestly, this damaged my account a lot. When that happened, I had a lot of people following me, but they were inactive. So there were actually those people who participated in giveaway, followed all the sponsors of the giveaway, and then later on they either just do not care about your account or unsubscribe from your account. In my case, many of those followers didn't unsubscribe from my account, but however they were inactive at all, and there were like 5,000 or even more. So together with my account it was around 8,000, something like this. And of course Instagram thinks, okay, you have a lot of followers and you post content and not so many people like and engage with your content, so that means your content is not really interesting for other people to shop. That is why a lot of things on my old account didn't work. For example, hashtag strategy. On some posts it works, on some it doesn't. Sometimes my posts are not shown at all to the audience, even who is reading me frequently. So it just was the whole mess. Actually, I did a video on this theme, what you should not do on Instagram account. Check the video right here. Oh, and I forget to tell you that in the end of this video I will mention another very big news, but this is a more positive news. And keep on watching, because you will for sure be interested to know what happened in the end. So back to my old account and why I decided to quit on it. Yes, this giveaway caused a lot of damage to my account, to my performance, because before it was doing pretty well, and after this giveaway, after I participated in giveaway, it actually damaged a lot my account, and I'm not saying that giveaways is a bad method to use to grow your Instagram account. However, you have to be very careful in order to understand the audience who is going to follow you. So you have to be 80% at least sure that the audience that's going to follow your account needs. Because if it's, for example, in my case, a bunch of really small teenagers that are based somewhere in the different parts of the world started to follow my account, and they were really little children, like 10 or 12 years old, and of course you don't know what to do with those people. They're real, but they're not active. By the way, if you're interested to know how you can delete a user from your followers without blocking it, let me know in the comments, and I might make a video on this topic if you will be interested to see it. So anyway, my strategy was to go from account to account and check how the account is doing, if they're active or not, to some of them to write message if they actually know me, that they follow me and who I am and stuff like this. And of course, I realized that there are just bunch of inactive accounts. There's bunch of accounts that are actually bots or just commercial accounts that doing mass liking, mass following all the time. And yeah, of course, this is just no go. And to do this all manually for going through 5,000 people, that would take me a lot of time. And honestly, that's not what I want to do. And plus, I said to you in the beginning that after giveaway, I had around 8,000K on my account. And when I understood that those people actually not bring me any activity at all, I decided to delete it, and I used an external service. I don't remember what was the name, but I would not recommend you to use it at all. So I think you can filter there how this service can unsubscribe or delete or block. I think it was blocking the user from your follower base. And I think I posted like inactive users who posted the last time a year ago and who didn't engage with my content. And honestly, the service fucked up everything, because they blocked a lot of users who actually follow me, my friends, even my mom. This user blocked, and it's just, yeah, thousands of people that are blocked there, and it's really hard to find people who I care about, who I want to follow me again. But so it was really hard to find it. So anyway, the service was no go for me to use it anymore. I had very bad experience with the service, and to do it manually, of course, it would take me a lot of time. And honestly, once I did it with the service, and the service blocked a lot of users on my account, what happened is that my engagement rate dropped like 10 times down compared to the engagement rate before. So having those thoughts in my experience bagage or luggage, I decided to not do anything with this account anymore and just start a new one from the scratch. It will be a long journey to grow my account, but I'm gonna take care a lot about this account, and I'm going to once in a while, I think once a month, I'm gonna sit and check all the users who are following me and delete the bots, the commercial accounts that are not really interested in my content. If I'm not sure if this person is interested in my content, or it's just you know, an automatic mass following, then I'm gonna send a message. If the message won't be replied, then this user will be deleted from my followers, because I really want to take care of my account and to keep the community very authentic and responsive, of course. And that's my goal. I don't actually want to grow my account for whatever 1,000K follower, 100K follower base, or even more or even less. I don't know. It doesn't really matter to me. That what matters to me is to share my knowledge, to create the community, people who will engage with the content that I provide with each other and help each other. So the goal is really to create a community of people who are who want to improve their vulnerabilities if they own a business, if they provide their own personal services, or they want to, I don't know, to print a book and promote it via social media channels. That is all what I want to do, is to help people to reach different types of goals with the help of social media, because social media is actually a very, very powerful tool to promote your product or services. So this is the whole story about why I quit my old Instagram account and decided to start from the scratch on. I really have very clear goals in my head. I have a clear strategy. I learned a lot of mistakes with the help of my previous account, and I want to repeat it again. So, and I have a big news for you. I finally launched an ebook on how to use Instagram hashtags in 2019. In this ebook you will find all the answers, how to use hashtag strategy, how many hashtags to use, where to post hashtag, if there's a caption or first comment, which hashtags to use in order to grow and to get an exposure from other followers. And this is a very, very strong strategy to grow your Instagram account organically. So grab your guide, the link will be in the description. And I have also a video right here about using hashtags, and the video right here if you have some problems with hashtag strategy, and if when you post hashtags and your posts are not shown under the hashtags that you used, then you might have a problem, and this video might be useful for you to see how you can fix it. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and by the way, if you have any ideas of the topics that I can cover in my future videos, please list them in the comment section. I will be very happy to make some videos that you're looking for and you cannot find on the internet. Everything that regards social media, please ask. And yeah, that is all.